VO3 Google's breakthrough in AI video generation. Imagine creating a cinematic video with just a few words. No camera, no crew, just your imagination and AI. Meet VO3, Google's most advanced generative video model yet. Announcing at Google's I/O 2025, Video 3 is the evolution of Google's video generation research. It turns simple text prompt into stunning high-definition video, whether it is peaceful mountain sunrise or a futuristic drone shoot over a cyberpunk city. This is not just AI animation, it is cinema quality storytelling. VO3 understood not just objects but camera movements, lighting, emotions, and screen composition. A dramatic aerial shot of a waterfall at sunset. We given watch VO generate a smooth cinematic flyover, complete with light flares and atmospheric depth. It uses large-scale video training data, natural language models, and vision transformers to deliver unmatched creative control. The main features of VO3 are text-to-video conversion in 1080 pixels. Screen control means adjust style, motion, and pacing. Camera direction is stimulate, pans, tilt, and zooms. Visual style prompt from watercolor to SCI F5 realism. Prompt-based editing also possible. Change elements mid-sequence with simple text. From directors to YouTubers, VO give anyone the power to create compelling video in seconds. Filmmakers can now prototype ideas in minutes. Educators can visualize concepts, and content creators they just a powerful new storytelling tool without expensive software or gear. VO3 opens the door to a new era of visual creativity where AI become your co-director.